Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to make some extra cash to put in your wallet in the year 2019. Now this video does of course extend to other years if you're watching this in the future. Ooh, that's a weird thing to think about. But if you are watching this in the future, most of this probably also works. So if you're watching it in 2020 or 2021, continue watching because I think this information is going to still be valid. However, I do updated videos weekly on this channel, so if you are interested in learning how to make money on the side, learning how to make passive income, making money with apps, if that type of content does interest you, I'm going to ask a favor, hit that subscribe button. That way I could always be up to date with you with all the latest and greatest products and services out there. But now let's get into the video. Inbox Dollars is the first one I want to talk about. Inbox Dollars is an online website where you could take surveys, watch videos, do searches, and ultimately just make some extra cash. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. This is not something you're going to get rich off of. This is not something that is going to make you a millionaire. However, if you are struggling to pay some bills, or if you want to have a little bit of extra money to save or invest in, this definitely could be a great option for you. The way it works is every day you get surveys curated to you as well as videos, and you can do searches and they pay you when you do them. Now, I have found most of your surveys pay between 50 cents and $1.50 for every 10 minutes. Now, there are exceptions, and the way you really make money with this website is to only do the top paid surveys. Anything under 50 cents, I do not do. I only do the top surveys that are paying $1, $2, sometimes even as high as $3 per survey, and usually take about 10 minutes to complete. As you can see on my website, there are some bad ones, 50 cents for 24 minutes. I'm not doing that, but I will do the earn $1.75 for 5 minutes. So the trick is to really be good with your time and be very efficient. Don't waste your time on things that take a long time and don't pay very well. Do all the top paid surveys every day. Dedicate maybe a half hour a day, and you can make a couple extra bucks every day. Now, as you can see, I only have $5.52 in my account right now, and that is because I have already cashed out. I think the minimum cash out is $3 if I'm not mistaken, but I have already cashed out, and this is some what I've been earning over the past few weeks. I've only been doing this for probably 2 months now, but I'm pretty happy with the results. Per hour pay kind of is hard to calculate because how long you need to spend. Some days I spend 30 minutes doing this. Some days I don't do it at all, and it really just depends on how much work you're willing to put into it. Now, I am going to have a quick offer for you. If you use my link in the description for this, you will get a free $5 bonus. So if you use my link, you definitely are going to be better off because you're going to be a lot closer to that minimum payout. And again, free $5, why not do it? All right. So Inbox Dollars is one of the ways you could add a couple grand extra in the year 2019. Next up is Steemit. What is Steemit? Well, if you are familiar with cryptocurrency, you probably have heard of it. Steemit is basically a website based on blockchain technology where you could write articles and get paid for it. Now, the reason I am saying Steemit as opposed to doing a personal blog is because personal blogs are really difficult to get started nowadays if you don't know SEO. And SEO just means search engine optimization. If you just like writing and you are a hobbyist or interested in one specific thing, set up an account on Steemit and you could start writing articles. Now, I actually post videos on here as well. I link to another service called DTube, and this is really a great way to earn some extra money. And as you can see, some of these people are only earning 28 cents, 17 cents, 21 cents. But if you scroll down more, look at this guy. This guy earned $26 from a single post on Steemit. So you can make money if you put your mind to it. It's all about getting on a schedule. Tell yourself, I'm going to write one article every day. And if you do that for at least 6 months, I promise you, you're going to have some type of results. Now, I am going to also say this, a lot of people will invest some money in the service at the beginning, but you don't really have to. You could invest as little as a couple dollars into Steam, and that will help speed up your process, because the more Steam power you have, the more the algorithm, I guess, favors your post, and it'll help it kind of snowball. When I first started, I put like 20 bucks in, and now my account is worth about $70. So I've made some decent money. Most of my posts only make a couple cents, but every once in a while, a post on here kind of goes semi-viral and I'll make 10, 20 bucks. Again, it's all about consistency. You can make money with this. People are making money with this. I know people making money with this, but it's all about consistency. The final way to add more money to your pocket in 2019 that I'm going to cover in this video, and again, I'm going to say it one more time, I'm going to have other videos in the future, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. But for this video, the third way is Ebates. Ebates is basically an app where you link your credit card and you earn money back when you spend money. Now, you might be saying, well, that's not really good. I don't want to spend money. I want to save money. And that is true. And I agree with that philosophy. I agree with that mentality. However, there is a certain amount of money you have to spend every month to live, whether you like it or not. No one can live off $0 a month unless you're like Amish and farming on yourself and you have your own farm and your own garden, whatever. But your average person needs to have at least a certain amount of money spent each month to live, whether it's on food, toilet paper, groceries, cleaning stuff, you know, your typical stuff that's in a normal household. And that is where I think Ebates really shines. You link your credit card into the app and you earn money back. My advice with this is to stay off of the app and not really go and looking for more things to buy. Just link your card, and when you shop somewhere that has a account with Ebates or has a service with Ebates, you'll earn some money back. Now, me personally, I spend about $200 a month on groceries, and I could earn roughly around 10% cash back every time I do that. So you do the math over a whole year, that's going to add up, okay? And again, that's only counting groceries. If this year I go out and I buy a TV, or if I go out and buy some silverware, or if I buy a couple things on Amazon, that stuff also adds back to your account, and you could really make some extra money. So far, I've made about $20 back on Ebates, and I have been using it for a couple months. So Ebates, again, guys, is a really good service, and if you use my link in the description, you will actually get a bonus. Just like Inbox Dollars, I have a bonus link code referral thing with Ebates, and you could get a little bit of a bonus. I consider that a little bit of a treat for you guys who have tuned into the video this far. But that's all I really wanted to say, guys. Again, be sure to check out my links, be sure to subscribe, and I hope this video was helpful. This is not going to make you a millionaire. I am not going to just say, oh, you're going to become a millionaire by doing these. These are not going to make you a millionaire. But this will absolutely put some more money in your wallet, and I think it can make you at least $5,000 extra in the year 2019.